And because I've got such a tight area here between this shelf, I'm going to take that extension out. Alright, so now that I've got everything up there snug, I'm going to go ahead and run my adhesive tape. And so it's pretty cut and dry, no pun intended. So just take it, put it over the seams like this, run it over just a little bit when you're doing this because you're going to have the seams overlapping. So do this all the way around. Make sure you cover both sides of the seam where you have mud to go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start putting mud on this.